This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Volkswagen Passat. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a turbocharger, a locking differential, a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 49,000 miles on the odometer. This Volkswagen has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.